Guys, let's take a quick look here at Anchor. This is the weekly time frame. Now, if we look at this in the weekly time frame, you can see that Anchor is about to break above an area. When it gets to about 3 cents, it will have broken basically an area that it's just been trading in for a very long time. To get mega bullish, I think we're going to have to get above about 4.2 cents though. But to get bullish, I would say would be about 3.3 cents. Now, as you can see, let's put this on the daily time frame here. Today we are getting kind of a nice little candle. But yeah, we are breaking above this little area, so we're about to make, a little bit higher high here. And yeah, I mean, we are starting to make higher lows. As you can see here, we had a low. This was the next higher low. But we'll see. We have to break this now and make higher highs here, So anyways, guys, let's take a quick look here at Bitcoin. Bitcoin actually has a green candle today. It had a green candle yesterday. Now, we did speak about this double bottom. It will come into play, and, if we break this neckline here, and at about $74,500, that's the target. So let's see if we can break all these resistances before, though, and we do have this trend line here sloping down, which has rejected us many times in the past. We actually hit it for the first time when we hit the all-time high. We hit it, in April, May, June, July. July we hit it actually a few times. August, we got close, not really so close, to $2,500. I mean, that's close, I guess, in Bitcoin standards. But anyways, we're getting closer now. We do have to break it. If we were to break it today at 65.9K, and every day that gets lower and lower. So let's see what happens, guys. Economic calendar for the week. If we take a look at this, guys, basically Monday, let's see, next week. Monday, we do have a couple of speakers. We also have S&P, PMI numbers and things on Monday. Tuesday, we do have some HPI. We also got consumer confidence. That's probably the most important thing for Tuesday. Wednesday, kind of a dead day. Thursday, probably the biggest day with jobless claims, durable goods, core PCE prices. We have GDP, jobless claims. We have some, speakers here. So that's kind of a big day. It's going to be probably a lot of volatility. And Friday, we have core PCE price index. We do have, personal spending, Michigan numbers, and I think one speaker or something. And anyways, let's take a quick look here at the interest rate cuts. So basically, let me refresh this, guys. I don't know why it always has to refresh, but it's 50-50. We have 51% for a half-point cut. Yeah, I don't want to spend too much time on that because November is quite far away. Now, the fear and greed, let's take a quick look at this. It's basically the same as yesterday. You do have 54. You can see 54 and 54. So I think we will tick up probably tomorrow if we do get a green candle here. And let's see, guys. Now, altcoin season, basically, we're right in the middle. We did tick up yesterday. I think we were at 43 yesterday when we looked. We made a video. Yeah, so we're ticking up. It could go either way at this point, guys. It's either going to altcoin season or Bitcoin season, and I personally think we're going to move to altcoin season, honestly, but just because we haven't been there for a while. And when we were there a very, very, very short time, as you can see. Now, crypto bubbles. Let's take a quick look at this, guys. Basically, everything across the board is in green. Maybe just some of the bad projects, or the worst projects, or I can't really say worse or bad. It's just projects that aren't the greatest, we can say. Maybe in the red, something like Leo. I've heard a lot about that token, a lot of negative information. So I don't know why it's a top 100 coin, but it is. Anyways, guys, if you want to stake your Anchor, now I have mine staked mostly on xt.com. I think I have Anchor in 3 of my exchanges, but mostly it's in xt.com. And yeah, I mean, be aware of these limits and these day limits or whatever that you have to lock it up for. Now, personally, I would advise you not to stake it up for a long time, because if you do, you could miss out and miss the high price, or a price that you're satisfied with, because it could come very quick, guys. So for example, if you want to stake it, maybe put it in for 30 or 60 days, but that's not financial advice. Do as you please, but just keep in mind the bull run will end at some point. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you concerning ANKR at the moment and Bitcoin. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.